Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a web page using Python. That is the first thing, and after this we'll see how to create our own favorites app or the bookmark app which using which you open the different websites. So let's begin this tutorial. First thing is how to open a web page. It is as simple as these two lines. See, I want to open a website called automatetheboringstuff.com, and for this I just need to import the module web browser and say open in new tab the URL name. So I will run this by hitting F5. So when I run it, it just opens, or you can also run it by going into the path. So this is the script name, so I just hit enter and it opens. So this is as simple as that. Now to the next part, where how to create the favorites app or the bookmark app. So for this, what I'm doing is I will have a CSV file which has all the required website names listed in it. Say for example, you can have the short name here, and in the second column you have the full link which you want to open. So say you want to have a new one like Gmail, you can have like gmail.com, or basically it is extensible, so the whatever new website you say you want to add into the bookmark, you just have to give a short name and a full name here and save. And then with the app, with the script, which I'm going to explain it in a while, but I'll show you how it works. So it is in the name open -url. Say for example I want to open maps, so I run the script with the script name and the keyword as map, that is the map, the first column here, whatever website I want to open, I'll give the short name of that and I'll hit enter. So there you go, it opens. Say I also have HTFC in the list, so when I say that, it opens HTFC. So example, say Hotstar, it opens Hotstar. So let's see how does this work. It is very simple. Basically what we have to do is say if I pass any argument, that is this one, Hotstar map, the script name and whatever is on the right side, that is Hotstar HTFC map. So if I give anything, it will just copy that into this string, so the page to open. Then what you do is you read the CSV file. So you open the CSV file, you read it, and just take the content. Say if I want to search something and whatever I'm trying to search is present in the CSV or not. So if it is present in CSV, it will get the URL, that is the second column where the index is 1, so it will get the second column. From there you'll get the URL, and you just the same command as I showed you already, open new tab, you just pass in the URL which you found and you exit from there. It's as simple as that. So when I run this, say again open HTFC, it opens that page. So I hope that was clear. So this took less than within 20 lines of code you are able to create your own favorites manager, and it is also extensible. You can keep adding the links you want here. Say for my office purpose, I use a lot of company related emails, related things which I keep using often, so I don't have to open web page and all those things. I just say I go there, I say open it opens the website. So yeah, I hope it is useful to you also. That's it then. Bye.